to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for November 2nd, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:24 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 5:44 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. An hour before sunrise, the bright gibbous moon, 77% illuminated, is high in the south-southwest. It is near Castor's foot, with the heel identified as Tejas posterior. Castor is nearly 15 degrees to the upper left of the lunar orb. His twin, Pollux, is nearby to the left. Look for Capella, the bright star over 20 degrees to the right of the moon. At this hour, bright Jupiter is over 10 degrees above the western horizon. It is noticeably west of an imaginary line from Hammel, Aries' brightest star, and Menkar, Cetus Nostral. The two stars are challenging to see with this moonlight. Use a binocular. As Jupiter approaches opposition after midnight early tomorrow morning, it retrogrades, appears to move westward compared to the starfield. The planet is in the sky nearly all night. Farther eastward, brilliant Venus stands over 30 degrees up in the east-southeast. It steps eastward in front of Leo, crossing into Virgo's boundaries tomorrow morning. This morning Spica is making its first morning appearance. At 45 minutes before sunrise, it is about 5 degrees above the east-southeast horizon and over 30 degrees to the lower left of Venus. Venus steps quickly in front of Virgo's stars. It passes Spica in a wide conjunction on the 29th. Watch Venus appear closer to the distant star each morning. In particular, watch the gap close beginning a week before the conjunction when the planet is within 10 degrees of the star. In the evening sky, Mercury and Mars are not visible. They appear too close to the Sun for easy observation. An hour after sundown, Saturn is over 30 degrees up in the south-southeast. It is noticeably dimmer than Venus and Jupiter, but brighter than most of the stars in the sky tonight. The ringed wonder is nearing the end of its retrograde in front of Aquarius and near the border with Capricornus. This evening, the planet is 6.7 degrees to the upper left of Deneb Alchdi, meaning the kid's tail. After retrograde ends, the planet does not appear to move eastward much for the next several days. Then it picks up speed and begins to shrink the gap to Scad, the Aquarian's leg, and Lambda Aquarii. From urban and suburban settings, use a binocular to find these two stars, about 11 degrees to the left of Saturn. At this hour, Jupiter, rising a few minutes after nightfall, is over 10 degrees up in the east. It is south around midnight and low in the west tomorrow morning. Earth passes precisely between the planet and the Sun a few minutes after midnight. The moon rises about 4 hours after sundown. An hour later, it is in the east-northeast, 6.6 degrees to the right of Castor. During morning twilight tomorrow, it is high in the southwest, near Pollux. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.